Welcome to The Good Life, the City of Bryan's monthly reminder of the great things happening in Bryan. Over the past year, the Bowie School in downtown Bryan has undergone extensive renovations. Gessner Engineering, Vaughn Construction, and other tenants will move into the building over the next few months.
I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire. Let me get hurt. Can we take it?
So I'd say we're at about 65 to 70% of completion. We have to finish the third floor for Gessner Engineering, and then the lower half of the first floor for Gessner Engineering as well. And then we have open space that is yet to be rented. I'm extremely pleased with the details. We've been able to either repair or replace with things that looked similar or had a vibe that's the same from the vintage school look. And I'm extremely pleased with the way things are coming out.
In risk you say, boy, just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient.
I'm very excited. I love downtown Bryan. There's so many places you can walk to very easily. The City of Bryan has been very welcoming and helpful with our project. I know that some of our employees are looking to relocate down here because we've had discussions about it. So I think it's going to be great for the community, and I'm excited to be moving down here to get to be a part of it.
As you just saw, Gessner Engineering took an old, unused building and completely renovated it, bringing back a historical space on the west side of Bryan. Because of their investment and passion for downtown Bryan, Mayor Andrew Nelson presented them with the Mayor's Downtown Impact Award for 2020. The GVBM partners joined the ranks of dozens of other individuals and organizations whose positive impacts on revitalization efforts have made downtown Bryan a destination for everyone in the community. The City of Bryan has a mobile app available on iOS and Android. The app helps you stay up to date on the latest city news, report issues, find info on permits, and contact city departments with questions or concerns. Download the City of Bryan mobile app today and see how it can help you. With 2020 behind us, City of Bryan staff are preparing to embark on a big year for big projects in Bryan. From stormwater to road repairs and sidewalks, residents will have the opportunity to give input on some of the projects and see progress made on others. Here are 5 public improvement projects in Bryan to keep your eye on this year. Work continues to make it easier to walk and ride a bicycle down Coulter Drive. Improvements include sidewalks and a bicycle lane, as well as road reconstruction. Contractors will begin sidewalk construction in early 2021, and the project is expected to be complete by fall of 2021. Woodville Road reconstruction is underway in North Bryan, from the bridge at South Highway 6 to Old Hearn Road. Plans call for widening the road to 3 lanes, improving the sanitary sewer, installing curbs and gutters, constructing 2 roundabouts to improve traffic flow, and building sidewalks on both sides of the road. Work is anticipated to be complete in the spring of 2021. In the next few years, the downtown area could be turned into a quiet zone, meaning that fewer trains will be blowing their horns at each railroad crossing. 22 crossings in downtown will see changes that include raised medians, curbs, crossing gates, and rebuilt traffic signals. These improvements were scheduled to occur in the spring and summer of 2020. However, the Federal Rail Administration has delayed issuing approval of the planned improvements. The earliest the quiet zone could go into effect will be late 2022. Residents will be able to give input on Texas Avenue improvements in 2021. The project calls for improvements to more than 5 miles of roadway from University Drive to Old Hearn Road, just past Highway 21. Improvements include raised medians, sidewalks, bearing power lines, and a shared use path. Phase 1 will start by the end of 2021 and take approximately 1 year to complete. And the remainder of Texas Avenue is scheduled to be under construction from the fall of 2022 through the fall of 2024.